Hey there everyone, I'm Tharun. We are back again with a cool tutorial. So in the previous tutorial, we talked a lot of things, but it was just a short video, and now we are going to move on with HTML entities. Okay, so what are we waiting for? Let's get right in the tutorial. So let me just open up our workspace. Okay, so we have this. I've just put on this h1 HTML entities, okay, and this paragraph tag, okay, just so that we could just start typing here. So what are HTML entities? HTML entities are those small symbols or those trademark. You would have seen the trademark, those copyright symbols, right? So how do you write that with HTML? That is what I'm going to show you now. Okay, let's move on with it. So to write those, what you do is just go inside a p tag or h1. You could write it within the span also. Okay, so how do you write it? So to write HTML entity, you would have to write ampersand. Okay, and you have the specific codes for each symbol you want to use. For example, if we want an ampersand sign, now if you just save this, okay, we get the ampersand. But this is not the actual way of writing the ampersand. Okay, let me just why is it not? Oh, sorry, it's not here. It is within here. Save. Okay, we get the ampersand, but this is not the way to write the ampersand. If I write AMP and a semicolon, okay, you get an ampersand. This is the way to write a good ampersand. Okay, now what are the other symbols we have? For example, ampersand and COPY. Okay, save. You get the copyright symbol. Okay, what are the other things? If you write EURO, you get the euro entity. So there are a lot of HTML entities, but I have like few covered in here. Let me just show you immediately. So I have this table here. Let me just paste the table. Oh, I missed the table. Let me just quickly fetch the table from here. Okay, so I have this table. When I save this, we get this. Let's just quickly revise our table styling skills and let's make it good for our friends. You just go to style.css and just come down. Let's quickly start writing our table rules. Remember this table, and now first thing we want to use, we're going to give the border. Let's give 1 pixel, solid, and a white. Okay, save it. So we have that. What else do we want? Let's make the color. Okay, color white. Okay, we have that. Okay, we have that. So what else do we need? Let's make the width. So 100%. Here we have the width and a font size of say 30 pixels. That would look big so that you could make the difference. So what else do we need? Let me see. Let's okay. Before that, let's quickly style the th. Okay, let's give it a border of 1 pixel, solid, white. THTR, okay, table row, and give it a border 1 pixel, okay, 1 pixel, solid, white, save. So we'll have like that. It's not table row, sorry, it's TD, I guess. Cool, we have that. So let's just border collapse, or you could just keep it like that. Border collapse is collapse. Sorry for that. Save it. Cool. We have the table now. Let's quickly glance through what I have in this table. That's all. Okay. So in this table, okay, I have for whatever symbol, what are the entity names and what are the entity numbers. Okay. So for this symbol, you have to use ampersand LT. That is, maybe it's like less than, I think. Okay, it is less than. They made it LT so that you could remember it properly. So for this symbol, we know that ampersand AMP we used, and for this copyright we did ampersand COPY, and for this registered trademark we did ampersand RAG. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. This is how it works, HTML entities. So I'll leave the link down in the description below if you are interested in knowing about more HTML entities and what are the entity names and numbers you have to use in order to use them in their code. Okay, otherwise that's all for this video, guys, and see you in the next video, next tutorial. Thank you so much. Goodbye.